What's going on, everyone? Well, I just got this the other day in the mail. It is my Texas Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface mask made by Connor Deless. I'm honestly speechless with the detail on this mask. It is unbelievable. It's actually a latex mask. In my opinion, there is no other mask like this. The detail on it is just awesome. Connor does excellent work. Now I'm going to be getting his other mask. It's called the Pretty Woman. It's the end scene mask from the original. And I should be getting that in the next month or two, so I'll be doing a review on that one as well. Very, very pleased with this mask. So go check him out, guys. I know he's on Facebook. Look him up. He does amazing work. You won't regret it. Have a good one.